When I first started selling digital products, I couldn't make any sales because one thing was missing. But when I realized this thing, it changed everything. And I was able to make $23,000 in 5 months with digital products. Now, if you use this one thing that I'm talking about, you're guaranteed to sell more digital products. Now, everybody knows the basics, right? You create content helping people solve one specific problem. And then alongside that, you create a product helping people to solve that problem faster. Now, the mistake that people make, and this is the same mistake that I made, is people just create content and then they create a product and they just expect people to watch their videos and instantly buy. So for people to actually watch your content and then take the steps to buy something from you, there is a piece in the middle that is missing. And I missed this out, and most people miss this out. And that piece in the middle is trust. And this goes back to hundreds of years of human psychology. People only buy from people they know, like, and trust. And if you want people to buy from you, you need them to trust you. Now, to make $23,000 in 5 months, there's 3 things that I do in my business to make people trust me more. Now, I'm going to share these 3 things with you. If you use them, you're guaranteed to get more sales. So the first thing is unscripted value. That's exactly what this video is. It's unscripted value, me speaking to the camera, sharing value with no script. Now, the reason this gains trust from people is because if you can talk on camera, it gives people the chance to get to know you a little bit more. And it also allows them to figure you out. Most people that are bullshitting, you know, they start stumbling and the truth comes out eventually. But if you are somebody that can help people and you do share real value, it's going to translate in a video like this with no script. It's going to come across, it's going to share your personality a little bit more. It gives a little bit more of you. And with that, people will watch the video and they'll be like, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about. I trust him. I'm going to buy something from him. So that is the first thing that you can do to gain trust from people, is with unscripted value, which is exactly what this video is. The second thing you could do is give free products to people. Now, again, this gains trust from people because it demonstrates how good your products really are. In terms of free products, what I like to do is I give away info products, which is basically just a document sharing information, helping people to solve a problem by themselves. I might give them some tips and I just share a little bit of information just to get them started to solving a specific problem by themselves. Now, another thing that you can do, let's just say that you have a course or a product or a service or something, and you want to help people solve a problem. If you really want to gain trust from people, what you can do, you can just take one lesson out of your course and give it away for free. Let's just say you've got a course about video editing or something like that. Give them one lesson for free, give them free access so they can see the quality of the product. Now, when you do this, it's going to make people think, wow, this was a free product and it was actually good. I wonder what his paid products are like. And then this will kind of encourage them to buy your products from you. So that is a great way to gain trust from people, to give them a free product. Now, the final thing that you can do to gain trust from people is show results. If you make money online, if you've got a business, or, you know, if you're a fitness coach and you help people lose weight, if you help people stop drinking alcohol, whatever it is you do, you actually need results to prove what you do actually works and to gain trust from people. These results, these can be your own, but preferably to gain trust from people, the best results that you can show is results of people that you've actually helped. Because if you do this, this gains trust from people because it shows your product, your service, or whatever you're selling works. And it also gives people confidence because it shows if you can help other people, you'll most likely be able to help them as well. So those are the 3 things to gain trust from people. Number 1, unscripted value. Number 2, free products. And number 3, results. And as I say, this is the big piece of the puzzle that is missing when people try and sell digital products. They just make content and then they try and sell, but it doesn't work that way. You need this piece in the middle. You need trust from people. That is exactly how I made $23,000 in 5 months selling digital products. Obviously, I focused on content as well, and my products are good. But that main piece of the puzzle in the middle, the trust, this bridges the gap between your content and actually getting people to take the steps to buy from you. This is something that I've learned the hard way as well, because I tried to sell stuff for quite a long time, but I couldn't get any sales. And then somebody told me, you need people to know you, like you, and trust you. And, you know, it's down to human psychology. It's like if somebody knocked on your front door and said to you, will you marry me today? 99.9% of people, they're going to tell you to F off. They're not going to marry you on the first day that you knock on the door. But if they potentially like what they see, they might get to know you and like you and trust you, and eventually they might marry you. But this is the same thing with selling. You can't expect to sell on the first day, and you can't expect to sell straight away. You can't expect people to know you, like you, and trust you straight away. It takes time. But ultimately, if you do want to make more sales, it's all about trust. And it's so important now, because, you know, this day and age, there's so many bullshitters online trying to sell you stuff, but there's no proof that what they've got actually works, and they don't have any proof of their own success as well. And, you know, this is just the age of social media. There is thousands of people every single day that want to sell digital products and want to start a YouTube channel and want to do online business, but there's only a small percentage of them that are actually legit. So this is why gaining trust from people, it will set you apart, and it will allow you to just make more sales and, you know, prove to people that you are legitimate and that they can trust you. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I'm just on holiday with my family in Ibiza at the moment. I'm staying at this hotel here. Yeah, this was all paid for by YouTube and digital products as well. This is actually my 14th holiday now. In the last 5 years, 14 times I've been on holiday. I've been 10 times to Ibiza, twice to Tenerife, once to Lanzarote, and once to Mallorca. So I feel fortunate as well. You know, it didn't come easy, man. You know, it took time to get to this point, but I'm very thankful and I'm grateful. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this useful. If you enjoyed the content, consider subscribing. And remember, if you gain trust from people, they will know you, like you, and trust you, and they'll be ready to buy. So that's going to wrap it up for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.